Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful tutorial that's all about keeping your digital footprint a little more private. We're talking about how to clear your search history on YouTube, whether you're trying to keep your searches away from prying eyes or simply wanting to refresh your recommendations. This guide is for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to clear your search history. First off, it helps maintain your privacy, especially if you share devices. Secondly, it can refresh your recommendations, giving you a new set of videos to discover. And lastly, it's just a good practice for digital hygiene. On desktop, first head over to YouTube and make sure you're logged in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select your data in YouTube. Scroll down to YouTube Search History and click on Manage Your YouTube Search History. Here you'll see the option to clear all search history. Hit that confirm and you're done. On mobile, open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture. Go to Settings, then tap on History and Privacy. Here you'll find Clear Search History. Tap it, confirm, and your search slate is wiped clean. If you're looking to pause your search history for a while, both the desktop and mobile versions have a Pause Search History option. This can be a great way to keep your searches private without having to clear them out manually. And there you have it, folks. A simple, straightforward way to clear your search history on YouTube. Not only does this help in keeping your searches private, but it also gives you a fresh start with your recommendations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.